Today we are back for another video, and we're doing Kazoom Power Mission Mega Unboxing. I'm in pyjamas because it's pyjama day at school. Let's get into it. So, let's start with a 5-pack. Hot Hydrator, Ped Beats, and Hockey Face. Hockey Face is new here. Oh yeah, I need to remember. The surprise super thing is always predictable. So this should be Mega Mike in some colour. Because Head Beats is on his own. I know Hockey Face is as well, but they're not going to give you silver. Headbeats is on his own, so it's going to be his rival, or in very rare cases, Press K, and it's Mega Mike. So, I've done all that. Come on! Well, I suppose that works. Could you please come out? Nice insert. I like those. Hot in red. I think that's new. Hydrator in yellow. That is not new. Head Beats in the yellow. I can't remember. I don't think it's new, but I can't say for sure. And Hockey Face. He looks like the concept art of Deep Face. He's got, what's he got on his base? I've never seen that before. I think it's supposed to be like the hockey skis that are a thing. Just get the packaging out of the way. Yeah, very nice. Right then, into the pile of peril. Kid Fury. So, Kazoom Evolution. There is, whatchamacallit. Scissors, there we go. These things are also quite hard to open. Right, let's cut Kid Fury free. I don't know. Hold on, technical difficulties. God. There we go. Right. Oh, that was easier than the last one. So, Kid Fury. Now, I am opening Kid Fury, Kid Kazoom, and Salbet in this video, hopefully. Maybe I'll do a part 3, I don't know. But, should have picked better scissors. But, essentially, hopefully this doesn't go flying off. How this works is it's supposed to represent his Kazoom Destroyer. Hold on, I've got the plastic wrapped around his legs. There, we'll just keep that there for now. Yeah, there's a button on the back. Quite obnoxious. But if you press it, yep, that's gone into... Hold on. Yeah, it goes quite far. Hold on, I might just free him from plastic packaging. There we go. So, evolution version of Kid Fury. Good. Now we should have Sick Trick and his weapon. Can I just back all this open? Oh, gosh. There's a horrendous. You. Sick Trick. Skateboard. I don't think these guys are going to appear in the show. Yeah, it's a skateboard. Don't really know what else to say. Exclusive 10. Oh, that's gone. Oh, this is very hard plastic, I've noticed. So you shove his arm in there. There we go, and now we can go Kazoom Destroy there. So then, get rid of packaging. Let's go for an action pack, shall we? Because we're filled with action here. Tricky Up, Bookworms, is it? Yeah, Super Surprise. Smoothie Twist, and Tropical. Good. I did that from memory, trust me. Have we got inverted colours again? Oh no, we haven't. We've got the correct colour of slider. Well, not correct, but one shown on the packaging. That's the Smoothie Twist. It's slowly rolling away off camera. Exoskeleton. Now, I'm not going to build this because it takes forever. So, you're just going to see the bits of it. Right, it's blue. This is for Tropical. Yeah, it's, yeah. In the fire. In the fire. No, yeah, there's nothing else inside. So now we're left with the zings up here. So let's see if I can. Come on. Come on. Come on. They just go everywhere. In the packaging pile. Smoothie Twist, you belong on here. There we go. Super surprise. That's it. I do already have him. Tropical. I mainly got this for the vehicles. And then you have. Whoa. Tricky Up, who can do like the splits, sort of. And Bookworm. Nice. So let's go for a Kazoom kid. Oh, we're at 6 minutes. We might end up running a bit over time here, but it'll be alright. I'll live. Ah! What am I cutting that? So Sal Bed, she can turn her head 360 degrees. So in the show, she like spins her head and flicks ice cream everywhere. Very bad manners. Come on, elastic band. Come on. There we go. Right. Good. Come on, off my hand. There, Sal Bet. So, I think the way this works is you press that. That is disturbing. Look at that. It's quite horrific. You press her big zipper tie thing and her head spins. Ah, I have the power. Yes, so I bet. Oh, one of her legs is the wrong colour. Well, it's not the wrong colour. It's meant to be like that, but... Or is it? Let's check this. I can't see her. Oh, no, it is. It's supposed to be like that. Yeah. That's actually quite fun to fidget with. So... how do we do this? I just bear claw it open, I seem to remember. Oh, gosh, surely that's not safe. Yeah, maybe I should cut these for... It's quite the shockwave. There's Salbet's weapon. I have tried previously to put it in their hands, however, it didn't really work. Let's see, hold on. It didn't work with Air Blast, at least, and Kid Furious I could put on there. There we go, it works. This one. You'll never catch her. She should not fill the role of Matt security camera with these everything. I don't know, actually, that will be a bit strange considering she no longer exists in the Kazoo universe. Anyways, Crazy Cone. Mad Cone. I don't know at this point. Well, it is Crazy Cone, but it's also like sort of Mad Cone, so who knows. We've got quite a bit to open, but this should live. This is Tool Force's rival Magneticus. I think I've already explained that this video. I just instinctively do that first. Come on! Sometimes this is really clean, or they have just gone everywhere. Or is it sometimes they just explode everywhere? Right, Tool Force. Win Williams, is that everybody? Yes, it is. So, it's a 5-pack. Where is the 5th? Oh, it's Magneticus down there. Tool Force rivals with Magneticus. Win Williams, Deuce, and Power Poker. Get out of here, get out of here. Right, now we have an action pack and a Kazoom kid. Let's do the action pack, shall we? I couldn't get multi in Crasher. I explained Crasher in the first video, so watch that. That's how YouTube works. and Multi's just out of stock. So yeah, out you come. Whoa, this is Pointy's thingamabob exoskeleton. Yeah, I'm not assembling it. It takes too long. And this hammer slider. It doesn't have a name. The sliders don't. All the exoskeletons in this series. Yeah, this is for Blam. In that, it's fallen into the box of bewilderment. Get out of here. Big Strike. He's missing a tooth, which I like. It's a weird sentence. Strike! Yeah, he's got quite a lot of detail, actually. Mega Mike. He is a Mike that is mega. Headbeat. I think he's actually new. Pointy. Can he go through the box? No, we can't. It's disappointing. Of course I'm joking. Yeah, it's an angel. And Blam. Now you go in. What? No, where is it? It's gone in the box, hasn't it? There we go. Blam. Good. Yep, you're there. Okay then. So, Kid Kazoom. I'm Kid Kazoom. I don't need scissors for this, do I? Ugh. So, what do you know? I do need scissors. If I want to free Kai. / Kid Kazoom brackets evolution. I'm just sort of twisting the rubber band. Oh, I think I've done something. Yes. And if I just sort of do a bit of a there we go. He's out. So yes, Kid Kazoom. He's the Kazoom and the Kid. Yeah, this won't work yet, will it? Need to take the plastic wrap off of his chest thing. This is chest. I think this is where people's chests are. Yeah, it is. Oh, bye. Yeah, so this will be the final item, unless magically something can appear in front of me. Oh, come on, get off of him. Come on. Alright, he's also got the yellow button like Kid Fury, and when you press this, bosh, off it goes, and now he's missing a part of his body, which can't be healthy. Anyways, right then, our final bit of the video is Energoal and his weapon. It's quite scary doing that. Plastic is not supposed to do that. How about we cut the tape here? That might be the safer option. Oh, 13.5 minutes. That's not good. I doubt if you're at this part in the video, congratulations. Nobody usually watches this far, but you're here, or maybe you aren't. So, yeah, welcome. Has that done anything? Not really. Rip it to shreds. There we go. Right, here's Energoal, the final SuperThing of the video. Or SuperThing, I should be saying. Yeah, he's got one of the few SuperThings with a cape the same colour as his main body. And now the Kazoom Sword. Shing! Okay, right, I think that's done it. Nearly, maybe, possibly. Yes! So, let's take chestless Kid Kazoom. And, it doesn't come on very easily. Maybe this hand? Right, okay, so that's supposed to stay on there. It doesn't really, but yeah, it exists. I will say. There we go. Tap the camera. Anyways, yeah, I'm clearly going insane. So let's end the video. Bye, guys.